turkey today. I can't wait to gobble you up. Ha! Get it? Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Hey guys, we're Mike and Kathleen of woodshopmike.com and welcome to episode 9 of the Scrapwood Challenge.
So today is actually Thanksgiving.
Yes it is. Happy Thanksgiving, Mike.
Happy Thanksgiving to you, Kathleen.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful that I beat her pants last week.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, fair and square.
Thank you all for the love.
In honor of Thanksgiving today, we are going to have a little theme for
Yep.
our projects this week.
Mm-hmm.
We both have to, drum roll please, make a turkey.
So do you have any ideas for your turkey?
I do, yeah,
Nice.
I do. What about you?
I got an idea.
All right, well, may the best turkey win.
Sounds good. Good luck.
You too.
All right. Gonna get a turkey. Need to do the turkey strut. Get my head into it. Oh, that's chicken. Why are they not coming? I'm a seriously convincing turkey. Oh, I see one. Ah, just a squirrel.
Mike, shh. What are you doing?
You said to get a turkey.
Make a turkey. In the shop.
I didn't even get to shoot my gun.
Maybe next time.
Hello, I'm Julia Child, and welcome to another edition of Cooking in the Shop. Today, we're going to prepare our bird. Now, you need to take it out of the basting pan. Let it know that you're friendly, and help it stretch its legs. Now, make sure that you address your bird first. Hello, Mr. Bird, or Mrs. Bird, as it were. Okay, so now it's time for the seasonings. You can do this however you want to, but usually I like to just... Where's the pepper? This is empty. Now, the first thing you want to do before you actually put your turkey into the pot is you need to cut it in half. And we're going to do that with a 5 horsepower, 3-phase Powermatic table saw. It's a very good machine for this operation.
Mike, what are you doing?
You said to make a turkey in the shop.
Out of wood. Scrapwood. The Scrapwood Challenge.
Dang it! You won't let me shoot? You won't let me cut turkeys on the table saw? I quit.
the dust has settled for the evening, so Kathleen, tell us about your turkey.
I made a lollipop holder turkey. This is made of Baltic birch plywood. I've got some stain on there, painted a cute little face, drilled some holes for the lollipop sticks, and this would just be the cutest thing on a kid's table as a centerpiece. You wouldn't even have to make dessert.
No.
You could just slap this puppy on there. Kids would be finishing everything on their plate to get to that lollipop at the end. I mean, you would know because you sit at the kids' table every Thanksgiving, right?
It's true. Yes, I do. The best conversations are at the kids' table.
That's true. They probably are. We should probably sit there this year.
So your project literally sucks.
Because it's lollipops.
Yeah.
Thanks, Mike. That's a low blow.
Dad jokes.
Dad jokes. You got them for Dave.
Yes.
Tell us about your turkey.
So my turkey is using some of the same poplar that we both used in episode 8, if you guys remember, and have some leftover oak boards that were already stained, and then a little bit of pine to make the feet, the beak, and the gaggle. And I colored the gaggle with one of those rough red crayons that you use to mark lumber with.
Very creative.
Yeah, thank you. Now, the face on my Tom is 3-dimensional, which I feel takes an extra level of skill. Plus, I was even able to incorporate googly eyes. So, you guys decide.
Well, I think you're laying it on thick, but I'll play. So I incorporated lollipops.
Yeah, so all the parents at Thanksgiving dinner are going to be pissed at her because she's the one sugaring up your kids.
Oh, everybody sugars kids on Thanksgiving. That's just what happens.
Well,
Yeah,
anyways.
absolutely.
So you guys know what to do. Head over to our Instagram stories or comment below for who you think won this week's challenge.
And from us to you guys, thank you so much for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Do you smell something?
Yeah, it's like something's burning.
My turkey!
Thanksgiving, first of all, Mike.
Thanks, happy giving to you too. I'm thinking about.
Are thinking.
I need to do the turkey strut. Get my head into it.
I can't be laughing. Okay.
Oh, somebody did not pluck all of your feathers. There's a little quill. There you go. No better, no worry. You're welcome. You don't have to thank me. You put your right wing in, you put your right wing out. Yes, we need the seasonings. Where are my seasonings? Thank you. Oh, that was terrible. Thank you, though. What do you do with this? Nothing. You just toss them over your shoulder. No big deal. And this, again, you just, whatever. Whenever you're ready. Come on.
Did you just get sawdust on my turkey?
No.
Oh, you're still there. Awesome. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, I got another one queued up for you right here. And if you want other awesome content from me, check out those. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, have fun making something.